We will see quiz today. How many least number of distinct points determine a unique line? The correct answer is option 3, 2 distinct points. There are 2 points are there, determines a unique line. How many lines can be drawn through both the given points? Option 2, 1 is the correct answer. Because 2 distinct points A and B are there, only one line can be drawn. How many lines can be drawn through a given point? Option 1, infinitely many is the correct answer. Because there is a given point, many lines are drawn. In how many points can 2 distinct lines intersect? Option 2, at the most 1 is the correct answer. See, if they are not intersecting, they are called parallel, no intersection point. If they are intersecting, it will intersect at the most 1 point. So option 2, at the most 1 is the correct answer. In how many points a line not in a plane can intersect the plane? So the line is not on the plane, therefore it will pierce through a plane at 1 point. Therefore option 2, 1 is the correct answer. You can see the plane here. You can see the line not on the plane piercing through the plane at this point P. So option 2, 1 is the correct answer. In how many points can 2 distinct planes can intersect? Infinitely many, because 2 planes can intersect in a line and the line contains many points. Therefore option 1, infinitely many, is the correct answer. In how many lines 2 distinct planes can intersect? Option 2, 1 is the correct answer. 2 planes can intersect at one line. How many least number of distinct points determine a unique plane? So option 4, 3 non-collinear points is the correct answer. If they are linear, then infinitely many. So there are 3 distinct points, only one plane can be determined. Option 4, 3 non-collinear points is the correct answer. Given 3 distinct points in a plane, how many lines can be drawn by joining all of them? Option 1, 1 if they are collinear, yes, 2. Option 2, none if they are non-collinear. This is also correct, therefore option 3, both the above is the correct answer. So 3 points collinear, therefore only one unique line. If they are not collinear, we cannot draw a line. So option 3, both the above is the correct answer. How many planes can be made to pass through a line and a point not on the line? Option 2, only one, because a line means 2 distinct points represent a line and another point is there which is not on the line. So 3 distinct points, only one plane can be drawn. So this is the correct answer. A and B determines a unique line and P is another point. These 3 points put together determines a unique plane. Therefore a line and a point not on the line determines a unique plane. So option 2, only one is the correct answer. How many planes can be made to pass through 2 points? 2 points determine a line. Through a line many planes can be drawn. Therefore option 2, infinitely many, is the correct answer. See here, infinitely many. How many planes can be made to pass through 3 distinct points? Option 1, infinite if they are collinear. Yes, if they are collinear, it's a line. Through a line many planes can be drawn. Option 2, only one if they are non-collinear. Yes. Option 3, both the above. Therefore option 3, both the above is the correct answer. So 3 distinct points, only one plane can be drawn. 2 distinct points in a plane determine a unique line. See, 2 points in a plane determine a unique line AB. 2 distinct dash in a plane, must be lines in a plane, cannot have more than one common point. Yes, option 1, lines is the correct answer. 2 distinct lines in a plane cannot have more than one point in common, that is the point of intersection. So no point of intersection if they are parallel, one point of intersection if they are not parallel. So option 1, lines is the correct answer. Given a line and a point not on the line, there is one and only dash dash which passes through the given point and is dashed to the given line. Option 1, perpendicular line, perpendicular. This seems to be the correct answer because there is a line there, there is a point and you can draw one perpendicular line and that is unique. Therefore option 1, perpendicular line, perpendicular, is the correct answer. Given a line and a point not on the line, there is one and only dash dash which passes through the given point and is dashed to the given line. It's same as the previous question, but that option is not here, but option 1 is parallel line, parallel. Yes, this is also correct. Given a line and a point, we can draw a unique line parallel to the given line through this point. Therefore option 1, parallel line, parallel, is the correct answer. Here is the problem on plane. A line separates a plane into dash parts, namely the dash and the dash itself. So a line means line itself should be the answer. Option 1, 3 parts, 2 half planes and a line. Option 2, 2 parts, 2 half planes and the plane itself. No, when the plane is separated. And 3, 4 parts, 2 half planes and 1 full plane. No. Option 4, none of the above. We will see the first one. 3 parts, 2 half planes and the line is the correct answer, because this is a plane and this is a line. You can take any point on the plane, but this point will lie only one half plane. It cannot lie on both the half planes. So it divides into one half planes this side without the line, another half planes this side without this line, and the third is the line itself. Therefore option 1, 3 parts, 2 half planes and a line is the correct answer. Difference between ray AB and offline AB is option 1, A is included in the offline. No, A is not included in the offline, but not in the ray. No, it is included in the ray. Let us see option 2, A is included in the ray, correct, but not in the offline. This is also correct. Therefore option 2 is the correct answer. A is included in the ray but not in the offline. So this is a ray, the point is included. A dark circle means that the point is included, and a circle with space inside represents the point is not included. So this is offline, the point is not included, and the point is included in the ray. Option 2 is the correct answer. Select the correct statements. Option 1, 2 rays are said to be parallel if the lines containing them are parallel. Yes, true. Option 2, 2 half lines are said to be parallel if the lines containing them are parallel. Yes, this is also true. Therefore option 3, both the above are the correct answer. So option 3, both the above. See, there are 2 lines, parallel lines, rays on it are therefore parallel. 2 lines are parallel, therefore half lines on them are also parallel. Therefore option 3, both the above is the correct answer. That completes the session. Thank you very much. All the best.